Okay, today we're going to be learning about summarizing and how to summarize a text. So, first, what is a summary? A summary is a short account of the central ideas of a text. And that's kind of why I wrote get to the point on the first page, because basically what you're doing with a summary is summing up the main point of a text in one little paragraph. You're getting to the point. It's important to remember that a summary is not the place for your own opinions, background knowledge, or any personal information. What you do want to include in a summary is the main point and key ideas. Okay, so how to summarize. These are the steps. First, you're going to read the entire text all the way through. Then, you're going to reread the text. If there's multiple paragraphs, you're going to want to read it paragraph by paragraph. If it's just one paragraph, you just want to take it slow, sentence by sentence. And you're going to ask yourself, what is the point of what I'm reading? What is the point of that paragraph? Or what was the point of that sentence? And then we're going to highlight some key details that we see that help us get to that point. And some of those key details might be who, what, when, where, why, any of those things. And then, once you have all that done, it's time to write your own summary in your own words. Okay, so here we have this short text. It's only one paragraph, so we're going to read it all the way through. Okay, well, Yellowstone National Park is mainly located in Wyoming, although 3% is located in the state of Montana. The continental divide of North America runs diagonally through the southwestern part of the park. The park sits on the Yellowstone Plateau, which is an average elevation of 8,000 feet above sea level. This plateau is bounded on nearly all sides by mountain ranges. There are 290 waterfalls that are at least 15 feet in the park, the highest being the lower falls of the Yellowstone River, which falls 308 feet. Okay, so we're going to reread slowly, sentence by sentence, with our highlighters ready. So, Yellowstone National Park is mainly located in Wyoming, although 3% is located in the state of Montana. I think I'm going to highlight that because that answers one of my main questions, which is where. And also, what? First of all, Yellowstone. Yellowstone National Park, that's my what. Second, located in Wyoming and 3% in Montana, that answers my where. Okay, the continental divide of North America runs diagonally through the southwestern part of the park. The park sits on the Yellowstone Plateau, which is an average elevation of 8,000 feet above sea level. I think I'm going to highlight that the park sits on the plateau, because that answers where as well. Okay, this plateau is bounded on nearly all sides by mountain ranges. There are 290 waterfalls that are at least 15 feet in the park, the highest being the lower falls of Yellowstone River, which falls 308 feet. I think I'm going to highlight that it is bounded on all sides by mountain ranges, and that there's 290 waterfalls, because those seem like some very important facts. Okay, so now I read it through a couple of times, and I have some main facts, main points that I picked out. The next step will be to write our summary, but I just want to show you sometimes this can be helpful if we make a little web that'll just organize our ideas. So, as you can see in the middle, I put our what, which is Yellowstone National Park. That's what we're talking about. And then, over here, we have the different key details, main points that'll help me summarize. So, the ones that I picked out were that it's located in Montana and Wyoming. There's 290 waterfalls in the park. It's surrounded by mountain ranges, and it sits on a plateau. So the next step will be to write my summary. And based on my key details, this is what I came up with, just a short little paragraph that gives us the main point of what we just read. So here's what I wrote. Yellowstone National Park is located partially in Wyoming and partially in Montana. The park is on a plateau that is surrounded by mountain ranges and many waterfalls. So it's just a short little account of what I read. And that's how you summarize. And then tomorrow we're going to read a text in class and we're going to try summarizing on our own. So thanks for watching.